Very great afternoon to all of you, dear students. Now let us start with our today's session. Just tell me, can you see my slide? All of you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And can you
Yes,
hear
ma'am. Yes.
me?
Ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
now
Yes,
let
ma'am.
us start with our material science course today. Yesterday we have seen planning for the term and planning for the 3 years ahead, and we also discussed about what are the different activities which are important for your overall development, and if you are really interested in getting good placement, what activities are required. Today we will see material science course and from tomorrow we'll start. Okay. So let us discuss about the course curriculum and syllabus, you can say. Unfortunately, we don't have curriculum. We just have syllabus mentioned by university, but we have to convert our syllabus into curriculum. So that I will discuss tomorrow how we can do that way. So very warm welcome to all of you. Now reflection first, because you know always you have to sit with pen and paper. So I hope you are sitting with your material science notebook. At least you have made some pages separately for material science. What is the main difference between material science and other subjects seen in its structure? Now I will show you structure because as you have just entered in second year, let us see the structure. Whether any teacher discussed with you second year first semester structure? Yes. Whether any teacher discussed with you.
Yes, ma'am.
So now if it is discussed well and fine, so you can tell me the main difference between material science and other subjects seen in its structure. Again, I'm putting material science whole second year first semester structure in front of you. See the structure and tell me what is the main difference between all the courses or any course and material science course. Uh, how I had told to give you the response reflections, just go on considering how in what way reflections are required. Again, I will tell you. Mute yourself, mute yourself. So if you'll see here, no tool is mentioned. So you can tell me answer in any way, either unmuting yourself or by chat box or by our material science WhatsApp group. Just observe this structure and tell me what is the difference between material science course structure and others course structure.
Credits. Material science have 4 credits.
There is an oral for material science, whereas no other subject have orals.
Yes, what is the main difference? Credit, okay. Credit, where is the difference? There is no difference in the credit. See,
Ma'am, hello,
1 minute.
ma'am.
1 minute. She said a credit. Material science is 5 credit. Measurement is also 5 credit. So where is the difference? Yes.
Ma'am, material science have 25. Material science have oral, whereas other subject do not have orals.
Very good. What's your name?
Arjun Taur Arjun.
Arjun, very good. So you have noticed the uniqueness of material science course where no other course is having 25 marks for the oral. Mute yourself. Immediately you learn. Mute, unmute, immediate. It has to happen immediately. So 25 marks are there for the oral exams for only material science course where no other course is having. That's the difference. So for material science course, you must focus on your oral communications because this will be your first time appearing for the oral exam. And in oral exam, it's my experience that even if you will be knowing answers, to express it in a correct sentence or to even express in the words, number of students find difference difficulty, and then oral marks gets reduced. So here important thing is you must be habitual of giving answers. That's why I am asking questions again and again and trying making my sessions interactive. Okay, so if you'll see material science course, there are 3 lectures. Practical already I told you it has been double. Now see analog ADE and mathematics 2. Generally for any course practical hours are 2 per weeks, but here for material science and measurements they have increased now double, and this is only the change, means not only the change but in the structure it can be only change, you can say, which has occurred in this year. So why that change has occurred, I told you yesterday. Theory lectures are going reduced. Earlier it used to be 5, then from 5 it was reduced to 4, now from 4 to 3, and someday I think they will vanish also. Okay, so that is my perception. There will be no theory lectures and no exams also. That is so yesterday I told my perception. So more and more focus has to be given on practical aspects and overall development of you. This theoretical by sitting in the class and just one-way communication, we never learn. I think learning is very less. So that is the main reason. Then if you'll see examination scheme and marks, in same marks are 30 and in same marks are 70. That is same for all except mathematics, or you can say maths is here. And term work marks are there, 25 marks, and oral marks are also there. So term work marks are also there. So you can see only term work marks. So how many subjects are there? Soft skill, maths, then measurement and this. So term work marks means it will be internal and oral will be external. One university person will be there along with internal examiner, and then pair will assess you. Here only internal faculty can assess you. That is the difference. Then credits are 5 credits. So if you'll see other subjects for material science and measurement, credits are higher. So major change in syllabus already I told you. Practical part B is totally addition, new addition of the part B. Part A is usual, only little difference might have occurred there. So now we'll see learning by doing exercise. What are the different types of materials which you have studied up till now? Pen down. In your notebook, you put the date, have habit of putting date. And then write down the reflections and learning by doing exercise, my lecture notes also, and recording will be available. Then you go on observing the recording also, because I think they will remain only for 1 month, and from after 1 month they will get deleted. So I was interested to downloading that video recording of last lecture, but I could not do that. And I'm asking, but I think that option is not there in Microsoft. So I'm thinking to switch over from Microsoft to the Zoom. Just now also I wanted to shift, but the CR said now time will require to download that Zoom app. It's not Chinese, mind you, it's American. So that is not the issue. So I will request you to download Zoom. Whenever I require to record my lecture, I will use another app, Zoom or Google Meet. And whenever I don't want recording, then I will use Microsoft. Okay, that recording will be there only 1 month. Most important topic, I want to put it on my YouTube also. So with other softwares, lot of other options are also there. I can immediately record and put it on YouTube, so it will be available to you at any time, even if exam will also takes place. That is my intention. So I hope that now you, by this time, you have written some materials in your notebook. Whatever different materials you have studied up till now, you might have written in your notebook. Now I need your audio response. You just go on observing my instructions. This is the tool in which way I want to do it. You have used pen, paper, okay. Now you just read what materials you have studied up till now from your notebook and give me your audio response without using Microsoft Teams. Be quick, go on thinking creatively. I will tell you how to think. Yesterday in my first lecture, I told you whenever you will go on answering in the chat box or by in any way, You have to first go on observing what other peer, means colleagues or classmates or friends have given the response, and your response should be different than that. There is no need of repetition. When I will say repeat all points, then you cannot. So learn that way. Again, now see, when I told you to give you introduction and I posted my video, I said you also give somewhat creatively, but I am finding there is a repetitions. I'm wondering whether all have become photographer or what. Everybody is in introduction, good snaps or some snaps taken by me. Don't you think differently? Huh? If somebody has immense photographs, you can immerse your rangoli or your food. Already I told you. So even if you are photographer, think it differently. Don't go on repeating. Don't go on just copying others. You add some your creations in that. That is what I want to say you. Now I am waiting for your audio response. Give your audio response without using Microsoft Teams. In my last lecture, I told you how to think differently so that your thinking capability will be developed and will be used again and again. And in oral exam, this skill is checked much better than any mugging skills. Means if you are mugged and if you are answering, that will not help you to score a oral exam. Your thinking, logical thinking, will help you a lot to get score. So I need your audio response. Be quick. I am wondering actually for students like my in first lecture immediately somebody took camera and just immediately put the scan or snap of the page. The same way you think how you can give me oral response. Whether you are hearing me? Hello? Are you hearing me, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, then
Yes,
when I
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
start, yes, now I have started getting
Yes,
oral
ma'am.
response.
Yes,
One
ma'am.
minute. Yes. Oh, somebody is saying it's not being heard. Huh? Somebody's message I got, he is not being heard. I am audible, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So I think he has not switched on his audio. Okay, now you help your friend. That's somebody, I don't know his name. He has sent me message that he can't hear my sound. You just post him how audio can be connected by internet or mobile device or computer device. You just post him in the group. By that time, I got the response from Sharwari. Let see what she is saying. I can't hear her noise. Sharwari has sent something but cannot hear. Dear students, just think how you can give me response in your voice without using Microsoft Team tool. You want to use some another tool.
Ma'am, can we mail you?
Can? Audio,
Can we send it?
audio. How
Yes,
mail?
audio mail.
Yes. Any way you can just use. Anybody has given me response in a audio way? Think it. Okay, I will go ahead. By that time you can think. Okay, now that I will give 5 minutes for your audio response. Let us watch. Now let us go ahead. Move on. So now for material science, what is the prerequisite? So I wanted to discuss prerequisite, means to learn material science, some background is required. And that is why I asked you which material you studied. So I just wanted to revise or just to make you recall what you studied up till now. So what material you studied, that was the question, and I wanted your response in audio form. So prerequisite is mentioned, students should have knowledge of various classes. Various classes of materials means types of materials like solid, liquid, gases. Means here we can just classify all the materials available in the world like into the solid, liquid, gases depending upon their structure. You can say solid, liquid, gas. So have you studied any solid material, any material? Liquid material have you studied? Any gaseous material have you studied? That knowledge will be required here to study material science. Then conducting materials, insulating materials, magnetic material and resistive along with their basic characteristics. So whether you have studied any conducting material, insulating material, magnetic material, resistive material, that I wanted to know. And your audio response would have been possible in many ways. Simply you could have called me. You know my number. Even if you don't know my number, it is there in two groups, material science department group, electrical engineering department group, and material science group. You must have checked whether my name is seen or like that. If suppose I have not put any name, then at least from the DP like that anyway. So it would have been possible to send me voice message from the WhatsApp and from Telegram, because there is a option to send voice message, and I just started introducing myself using that, not the text message. So voice message are easier to send, but still we are not using that because we don't use our creativity. We just go on typing and just go on doing it a conventional way. And just send a audio message. They are so much clear and also very easy. So that I wanted to tell you. Now let us start with our course objective. In first lecture, I told you what is the course objective, what is course outcome, and how significant role they plays. Now here objective word has come, course objective and course outcome. So when I use objective, the difference between objective and outcome is only little difference we can say, but we have to work very hard to make our objectives into the outcome. So objectives are just like dream and outcome are the fruits. So if we are planning for this semester, we can say that explain. The course aims to explain classification, properties, characteristics of electrical engineering materials. Means I will put the course objective will be that students should be able to, or students will be able to explain. So this is a dream that you will be able to explain classification, properties and characteristics of electrical engineering materials. But when I say it will be outcome, means you must able to explain, means you will demonstrate that, means this is future tense. Objectives are in future tense and outcome will be in the past tense, means your ability will be developed by that time to explain this classification. What is important? What are materials are there in material science? Classification is important, properties are important, characteristics of materials are important. So that is in the one first objective, it is immerse, that explaining. Then describing, explain, describe, applications, measuring methods. So along with classification, properties and characteristics, applications are also required, and you must be able to tell that. Applications and also measuring methods, these different measuring methods, because testing we have to see, practical also testings are there. So measuring methods also you will be able to describe. For parameters of dielectric, parameters means what you will measure, different quantities, different parameters you will measure of dielectric, insulating materials, magnetic, conducting, resistive. So somebody has asked me, madam, whether semiconducting materials are there, whether material science consists this. I said, you just don't go on asking me, and don't start now study, just do something different, and when we'll start lectures, then you will automatically come to know. So here semiconducting materials are not there in syllabus. So which materials are important? Dielectric materials, insulating material. There is a very little difference between dielectric and insulating material that you need to understand. Then magnetic, you know, conducting you also know, and resistive material. Then illustrate. Course aims to illustrate solving simple problems. Problems are very simple in material science based on dielectric, magnetic and conducting. Means only 2 or 3 units have problems. Others are descriptive units. Then impart knowledge of nanotechnology. This nanotechnology one unit is completely there. So that is advanced materials are included. And demonstrate testing methods. Already I told you, apart from the materials, you have one complete part A based on the testing methods, and one 2A means half of the unit is also based on the testing. So demonstration of testing methods of dielectric, insulating, magnetic, conducting, resistive as per IS. It is very important. You must know as per Indian standard specifications. Means you will not tell any method anyway, but you have to refer what is Indian standard, and according to Indian standard you must write down in paper also. If you will not refer Indian standard table, then you will not get marks even if you will write down 4 pages. So that you have to understand. Then enable students to create self-learning resource material. So I had discussed in first lecture what is the importance of these creations. Creation is at a higher learning level. You must able to create something, not only know. See, knowing, describing, explaining, illustrating, these are very, very low level learnings. And that's why I said that in classroom, or we can say now it is your classroom. You are sitting in your home. That is your classroom where learning happens. So these are very low objectives of the learning. But when you will create something, you will demonstrate, you will do something, you will feel something, then you are learning at a higher levels. So you should be able to create something, and this is very important. That is what self-learning resource material means. Whatever you will create, that should happen your learning material. And not only your learning material, but that should happen for the learning material for all other future batches. So that is what it is, higher level dimensions of the learning through active learning based, means active learning. It is active learning based on practical case study assignment. So that we'll see. So if you'll see now reflections to why different colors are used. You have to notice how I am making slides, because I always use different colors, but significantly they are used. And once you will learn my techniques, then you can understand how to read my PPT. So I am here asking you why different colors are used. What is the significance of each color? So I will just make you see the PPTs here. Okay, so headings are in red color. What is meaning of this? You can say purple color. This is here you can tell me. Just try to think why different colors are there, and always different colors will be changed. Significance of colors will be changed in my every lecture, but you have to notice that, and that way you have to learn the reading the PPT. So why red are used, where red are used, what is the meaning of red, that you are going to tell me just now. Then where green colors are used. where green colors are used and where blue colors are used and where this purple color is used. So just read this PPT significantly, because this only I will tell you 1 or 2, 3 times. Afterwards, I will not give all such a hints, but they are having very, very important significance. If you learn this, you will come to know how to generate points for the answers, how to retain the points for the answers, and which points are important from the exam point. That way you will learn. And you will also learn to write down your answers in this way. Means not colorful, but at least you will make single line, underline, and double line, underline. Okay, now I think you are giving me response on the WhatsApp. I think sound is coming. Okay. So let us see.
Ma'am, we have studied polymers, semiconductor materials, metals, ceramic, industrial glass, and yes, that's it.
Okay, can you hear the sound? Just tell me. I am just
Yes,
playing
ma'am.
one audio response.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we have
Yes,
studied
yes.
polymers, semiconductor
So who
materials,
has given
metals.
Yes, ma'am.
349? I don't know her name. What is your name? Who
Maithili.
Maithik?
Maithili.
Hello,
Maithili.
ma'am. Maithili. I am
Oh,
Maithili.
okay, Maithili. Good, good, very good. So just I want to say your name. Good. Now all of you, I am requesting you put some names in front of your number on WhatsApp, at least for a few days. That will better. So after that you can remove if you want secrecy. So Kunal More has sent something.
Hi ma'am, I am Kunal More.
Oh, Kunal, you are just saying me hi.
Hi ma'am, I am Kunal More.
Kunal, huh? What is
Yes
this?
ma'am.
See, actually I am finding this way of answering not from Kunal, but from number of students. When I am saying you give audio response, it doesn't mean just saying your sound. I am asking you reflections, means you have to think which material you studied. Kunal, only you are saying hi. Okay, now Adarsh, 1 minute, Adarsh.
मैम उसका नेट खत्म हो गया बीच में.
Used in various applications in the electrical industry and various kinds of polymers, PVC wires, different kinds of plastics.
Adarsh, your sound is less and my lecture background sound is more. See how to answer then. You just listen this clip.
Slim polymers, transformer. We know about the conducting materials used in various applications in the electrical industry and various kinds of polymers, PVC wires.
Understood, students. Adarsh had said it. Okay, good, Adarsh. But rather than your sound, my sound is playing more audio. So that way, for oral, what I wanted to tell you, for oral, your sound level gives confidence level, you know. So with what sound you answer, that indicates your confidence. So you have to now practice answering in a louder way. Another, I don't know, sound is not playing. Okay. Okay, fine. Others and other response were good. Now color coding. Use chat box now for answering color codes. Be quick. Where red color is used, where green, what is the significance of red color? What is the significance of green color? And what is the significance of blue color? Because always I use colors in PPT and they are meaningful, that I wanted to learn. Then your learning will be higher in my lecture, you know, only if you will know the color codes, and without listening you just go on watching my PPT, retention will be more. Because see, different students learn by different ways. Some students learn by audio. They are called as verbal learners. Means when what I am talking, they will grasp my words and their learning will be higher. But some students don't catch my words because you don't see me. This is the difference in online and conventional. And some students will be just putting concentration on the PPT. So they are visual learners. Say they learn fast by visualizing my PPT. So if you focus on the color codes, all content can be written in a very good way. So can I get your answer from the chat box?
Hello.
Huh?
Ma'am, blue color indicates trustworthiness.
Blue color
Yellow
indicates.
color trustworthiness.
Blue color indicates.
Trustworthiness.
Okay. Then
आणि yellow playful, optimistic.
There is no yellow color. Now when I am saying chat box, you should not use WhatsApp. येलो कलर आहे का? अजून तरी आला नाही येलो कलर. येलो कलर वापरायचा होता मला पण तो दिसत नव्हता. ठीक आहे. आय वॉन्ट टू चेक रेड. सी लेट मी ओपन नाउ chat box. There is oral examination. Okay, material science has 4 practical. Red heading, green subheading. What is Nilansh? Nilansh, you are just saying red heading. Means okay, for heading red is used. Green is subheading. No, you can't say that heading and subheading. Ma'am, not able to see PPT. Oh, Nirali, what is the problem? I am not now sharing. I am just seeing the chat box. That is the problem in Microsoft. You know, to see the chat box again, that PPT share has to close. It's difficult, Microsoft. In other Zoom and Google Meet directly, we can see PPT and chat box. Now blue, ma'am, not able to see PPT. आता विचारते का PPT वर क्वेश्चन विचारून 5 ते 10 मिनिटं झालेली आहे. So here again, just last 1 minute I am giving you. See the red color. This is okay for heading. Okay, forget that. This is red color used. Then what is the significance of red color? What is the significance of green color and blue color? Chat box, can you use chat box? Can you see my PPT?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, your screen is invisible.
No, ma'am.
Yes, 1 minute. That again screen problem is there. Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see red
Yes,
color. Red color.
No, ma'am.
No?
Not visible, ma'am.
PPT is
No.
not visible?
No, ma'am.
It is.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is visible.
No, ma'am.
Yes, it is visible, ma'am.
Ha.
No,
Now
Visible.
1 minute. If
Yes,
you
now
can't
it's visible, ma'am.
If you can't see my PPT, time delay is too much, means your network is too weak. Now, can you see my PPT? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Not.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Oh,
Who says no?
Me. Venkatesh, ma'am.
मग तिथे PPT वर क्लिक कर. जर माझा फोटो दिसत असेल ना, माझा फोटो दिसतोय का?
नाही मॅम, म्हणजे फोटो दिसतोय फक्त पीपीटी दिसत नाहीये.
हा, मग फोटो दिसतोय ना, तर ते तुझं फोटो मोड आलाय. तिथे फोटो घालवतो. कुठेतरी साईडला पीपीटी गेली त्याच्यावर क्लिक करावं लागेल. See, now two important things are there while attending online lecture. First thing, sound. Whenever you join, you have to select your sound. If you are joining from mobile, then you have to select either internet sound or mobile device sound using. And second, PC, if you are using PC, you have to select sound option, which device you will use for listening sound. Okay, so you need to click on that device. It is coming immediately after you are joining. So that you have to learn. So second thing is there when you will start joining and listening the lesson, then sometimes PPT goes and photo come. So you have to again select, means you have to select the PPT. PPT goes in the side minimize option. So you have to click that PPT, then PPT becomes maximized. If you want, so I am not using video in my any lecture. Remember, I don't use, because when video will be on, again distractions will be more. And somebody will select on the video and will just try to watch my face expressions, because learning that way can be more. But there, when video I will make on, my network will become weak and your network also become weak, and lot of distractions are there. But even I am not making my video on, my photograph might be there. I don't know now which photograph is there. So that photograph will be steady, but still it will be there. And when you will click on PPT, then only PPT will be maximized. And when you will click on photo, photo will be maximized. So that way you have to learn. आता PPT दिसतीये का सगळ्यांना, का अजूनही दिसत नाहीये? Do you see my PPT? Anybody who don't see my PPT? कोणाला दिसत नाही अजून? Who don't see my PPT? Whether anybody don't see my PPT yet? दिसतीये का मग सगळ्यांना? Now see. Now see. आपण थोडंसं
Yes, ma'am.
see.
Yes, ma'am.
We will go very slowly. First 2, 3. Enough now. First 2, 3 lectures will go slowly. There is no hurry. We will first habitualize with all the platform first. And then we will go. Tomorrow's lecture I will take. Tomorrow's lecture I will take on Zoom. By that time you download Zoom. And you will also see which is more. So the course aims to explain. See, reds are used for this verb, explain, describe,
Zoom is
illustrate.
banned.
Huh?
Zoom
What?
is banned.
What is? Zoom
Zoom
is
app
banned.
is banned, ma'am.
Zoom is banned. Google Meet will use. Who said Zoom is banned? No. Zoom is not
Hidden
Chinese.
in the
No.
government.
Yes,
No,
ma'am. We
ma'am.
can use Zoom, ma'am. It's very easy.
See, you don't tell me anything. Zoom is not banned.
We can use Zoom.
Zoom is not Chinese. Supreme
Ma'am, Zoom
Court
has
has.
privacy issues.
Ban.
The notice was issued by Home Ministry of Maharashtra.
Okay, then we'll use Google Meet.
Yes.
But Zoom is not Chinese. Zoom is of American.
It is better.
American, but we'll use Google Meet. So I will tell you, by that time you have Microsoft. So the other softwares are very friendly. Immediately after link you can join. There will be no issue of joining and no disturbance also. And what you see in a PPT, that time lag in Microsoft is too much time lag.